Good evening, I am Nivedita. Today I am going to share vegetable ragi soup recipe, which is an immunity booster and nutrient dense recipe. Let us see the ingredients which are needed. For this I have taken some vegetables, 1 carrot, 1 capsicum, 5 to 6 beans all finely chopped, little green chilies, 1/4 of onion finely chopped, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, a piece of ginger finely grated, sweet corn. You can add some other vegetables if you want. I had this many vegetables. You can take any green leafy vegetables, green peas according to your choice. For masalas, I have taken black pepper powder, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, salt. Here is my ragi powder, oil, water and lemon. I am heating my pan with 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. You can take sesame oil or olive oil. Let the oil heat. Now I am adding 3/4 spoon of jeera or cumin seeds. Once the jeera starts to splutter, let us reduce the flame and add little green chilies, garlic cloves, finely grated ginger and saute. Then I will add onion, once the onion has turned transparent, I am adding all the vegetables, carrot, capsicum, green beans, and sweet corn. Add freshly ground black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon, little of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon, and salt according to taste. Saute it for another 2 to 3 minutes. While the vegetables are getting sauteed, we will make the ragi mix ready. For this I have taken 1 cup of water. Into this I will add 3 tablespoons of ragi powder and mix it properly. I am using room temperature water so that no lumps are formed. Ragi millet is a whole grain and completely gluten free. It is rich in fiber. It also helps in weight loss. The vegetables have turned light now. It is sauteed nicely. I am adding 1 glass of water to it and give it a good boil. Ragi has a good source of iron. Once ragi is sprouted, vitamin C level increases, which helps in the absorption of iron. So it is a wholesome meal. As the water has started boiling, I will add ragi mix to the vegetable with continuous stirring. Give it a good stir and make sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes in low flame. Now the soup is ready to serve. It is sufficient for 3 to 4 people. Let us garnish with fresh coriander. If you have spring onions, then the garnish will be more beautiful. As I don't have, I am garnishing this one with carrot. And coriander. Little capsicum. The ragi soup is ready to serve. Now, the ragi soup is ready to serve. This can be served with sweet potato chips. This dish is also very easy to make. Just cut the sweet potato into fine slices. Coat the sweet potato well with 1 tablespoon of oil, garam masala powder, chili powder and chaat masala powder. You can add other masalas if you want. Bake it in a tray for 22 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And it can be garnished with oregano and red chili flakes and can be served with pudina chutney. Thank you. Add a little bit of lemon for a tangy taste. Again, this is optional.